Hey, Lauren's fixing her hair. Yeah. Dude, strike a pose. I don't know. Just see what's going on. Who's going somewhere? Hi, weirdos. Why didn't you guys come to 3rd period? You missed the action. It's cool.
We had to go in the media center.
Oh, that sucks.
What are you doing?
I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, I'm going. What? Oh, trash can. Oh, God. I don't even know what I'm doing.
Don't do it. Do something.
Anyone I know. Do something funny, Maria. Do something stupid. Jared! Yeah! Shit, this flame-o. Dude, I'm still putting this on my MySpace.